Hello guys, I thought I just wanted to have a quick break. I'm sitting here in my office and we're about to start this new induction course for SA Accounting Academy. And I'm the presenter on the course, and I wanted to give you guys a bit of a heads up on what to expect in this course. You know, it's an induction course, and if you look at the list of it, there's e-filing, there's how to do your financial statements, how to do a tax return. But more importantly, I think it's important that you understand the main purpose of an induction course. Because if you're looking at the tax returns, financial statements, and you're in an accounting firm, you're actually surrounded with a lot of people that can actually give you that advice. But will they give you that advice? How do you position yourself to go forward within an accounting profession, but still be part of a team? Don't be a burden on a team. So I call those soft skills. And most people know me. My name is Eliades, and I am a chartered accountant and a motivational speaker and a life coach. And I believe that if any firm wants to become successful, and be it in a chartered accounting firm, be it an accounting firm, being in any profession, you've got to look at the people on the team. And you've got to look at where are they sitting in their minds each day when they come to work. You know, if you have a new clerk or if a second year clerk, doesn't matter. But if they're around an environment and they don't know how to ask for help, that costs the company money. If they are sitting, going to work, and they don't even know how to ask, listen, I do not know how to do a tax return, and more importantly, they will go do a tax return not knowing what to do, that causes damage on the company. And then someone has to correct it. And how many people of you or working for you are out the door at 5 o'clock? Why is that? What's your environment like at work? Do those people enjoy being at work? Do they know the road that they have chosen to become an accountant? Do they know what needs to be done? Do they think it's going to be a handout? Do they think their job that they have, or do you think your job that you have is a must? No, your job's not a must. You've got to earn the right. You've got to earn the right to be around the people who you work with. And that means you've got to become a leader. That means you've got to serve a team. That means you've got to be a team player. Because if you don't know how to be a team player, that's going to affect your company. How do you become more productive? In any accounting firm, we're working against time. You know, you got 8 hours in a day, you got 10 hours in a day. What are you going to do with that time? How are you going to make that time the most billable time you can? Because most people think when you work productive, that's a reflection just for the company. No. That's a reflection on you. When you go hand in a file to your partner, and he must review that file, you showing something of you. You having a reflection of you. What did you do? What is your capability? Did you go the extra mile? Did you hand in something that you did know how to do, but you didn't take the effort to correct? Now, most people do know what to do, but they don't do what they know. And through my experience when I was doing articles and I was coaching certain people who were coming new on the team, and I remember the first years especially, there were a lot of people with emotion. They wanted to give up. They wanted to hand in the towel. They said, this is not for me. But they were not at the right mindset, and they did not even give this a chance. So what am I talking about? What's this induction course going to be about? Well, this induction course is going to be more just than skills. This induction course is going to be more than just to hand in your tax return or to do your financial statements or that. It's going to be more than that. That is the minimum that you are going to get out of this induction course. How about being productive? How about taking your career to the next level? How about being part of a company that really cannot afford to let you go? You know, when you work for a firm, are you there just to tick the blocks, just to do the financials, and can you be replaceable? Now what this induction course is going to do is going to make you being more productive. You are going to be an asset. Now some of you are thinking, oh, that's good for the company. No, that's the whole point. It's good for you and the company. because you are first putting value to yourself. So through this whole induction course, we have 2 seminars. We have 2 seminars where we are going to be sitting together as a group, and we're going to work together in those sessions. These groups are going to be sitting, we're going to have everybody in their group sitting around with people you don't even know, and you're going to have to work with them. And then we have webinars. Now in those groups, we actually deal with certain skills, and we deal with certain soft skills, and I will be there one-on-one with you guys, teaching you guys, getting your mindset right, getting you guys at a whole different level. After that induction course, you guys are going to go back to work, and they're going to think you have been bitten by a bug, because you're going to be excited, you're going to have purpose, you're going to know what needs to be done for you to go further in your life. You're going to know what needs to be done. In the firm that you work for, they're going to be excited to have you. You're going to walk into that door with purpose, with passion. You're going to put up your hand, volunteer for work. That's good for you. And that's why, once it's good for you, it will be good for the firm that you work with. Don't you want to be acknowledged? Don't you want people to say thank you because you went the extra mile, because you delivered, and because you have the right mindset? I always say, when I look for skills, when I look for people, before I look for skills of people to work for my company, I look for attitude. Because if your attitude stinks, you're going to stink up the place. And you've got to make sure you're at the right attitude when you go to work each day. So this induction course will be the best induction course. No other accounting induction course has ever been done like this one. We are speaking to take you to the whole new level. And you know why we take companies to the whole new level? Because companies are made up of people. You get the people at a whole new level. You get the people to raise their standards. You get the people to go the extra mile. You get the people to deliver the best of their ability. You take your company to a whole new level. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Furthermore, from these induction course, like I was saying earlier, we have webinars. Now, what are these webinars? These webinars, I give you guys an opportunity where you guys can send in mails. What are you struggling with? What environment issues do you have? Did you have an issue that you did not know how to handle with a fellow team member? Did you have an issue not to handle with the owner? How do you address those issues? Did you have issues to hand in a tax return? Did you have issues on how to, for your financial statements, for your working papers? Now, as I was saying, in a practice, we work against time. And sometimes the firms are so busy, they don't have the time to sit with you and address these issues. But that's what I'm going to do with you guys. I'm going to address these issues. We are going to get to know each other through this year. We're going to get to know each other. We're going to deal with issues. We're going to raise your standard. We're going to raise your firm standard. We're going to get you guys on a whole new level. And the people that you work for, the people that gave you the opportunity to go on this induction course, they will say it was the best thing they ever did. And you're going to say at the end of the year, I don't believe how I've raised my standards. And that's what we're going to do. Wouldn't it be great to have 2 events, one-on-one? I will be there for you. We'll deal with certain issues. We've got a whole schedule of certain things that we will work with through the seminar. But I'm there going to be listening to what are you guys going through on a daily basis. Then we're going to have webinars where you can send in your concerns. We summarize those concerns and I raise them with you. Be it soft skills, be it technical stuff. We raise those issues and we deal with those issues head on. What will that do for you this year? What will that do for your firm this year? So guys, don't miss this opportunity. And this is an opportunity. Get your firms to send you on this course. Call it an induction course. I don't care if you're a first year, I don't care if you're a second year. This will help you. This will serve you. And for the companies, the partners who are thinking to send their people on this, you must send your people on this. This is going to be a life-changing experience for them and for you. Let me tell you, you have a great team, you will build a great firm. And you will be productive and you will increase the billable. And you know what? It's great when you have happy people on your team. So guys, register today. I look forward to seeing you guys one-on-one, taking each challenge head on and dealing with it and taking you guys to a whole new level. I will see you at the first seminar. See you then.